Right, we've got a fantastic, easy to prepare Mediterranean salad. We've got some figs and fresh mozzarella and some serrano ham. So let's go. So firstly I'm going to chop up the figs. See, I absolutely love figs. So when I go on holiday to Greece, one of the things that I really look forward to is picking figs from the tree and actually eating it there and then. So let's hope we can bring some of that magic to this dish today. Next I'm going to chop up some of the mozzarella in thin, long, round slices, so like this. I'm going to also chop some fresh blueberries that you're going to put in the salad. So just chop it lengthwise. So next I'm going to make the dressing, which is really simple, just a few ingredients. Firstly, a bit of extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to put in here. Next, a splash of balsamic vinegar. A bit of pomegranate molasses. And finally, a nice squeeze of lemon. You're going to give this a nice little whisk. And have a little taste just to see. Lovely. So now we're going to plate the fig salad. So I've just picked some lovely fresh fig leaves from my garden, which I'm going to use as a base for the salad. Just chop off the stalk a bit, you don't want that. And now we're ready to dish it up. So I'm going to put a little circle, then I'm going to place the fig, a slice of the mozzarella, next you can scatter the blueberries all around the figs. I'm going to add some thyme on the salad, just scatter it, just some of the leaves, just like that. Next I'm going to add some of the dressing. Lastly I'm going to add some strips of serrano ham, quite casually on the salad. You can just drape it off casually, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can make it look quite random. And lastly, I'm going to place the last bit of the mozzarella right in the middle of the dish. There. I'm going to add a little bit of the dressing that I had before. Just going to add that. There you go. How nice does that look? I'm going to make a little incision on the top. Add some of the thyme just for decoration. There you have it, our fig and mozzarella salad with some lovely serrano ham.